Hello everyone, this is Tanishk, and in this tutorial we are going to explore how LanScan works. So right now in the screen, we're in our repository page. Uh, it pretty much explores all the parts that LanScan has to offer. So what is LanScan? LanScan Epic Scanner is the same thing. So LanScan is basically a device. I mean, it's an app that can scan through an enterprise network and detect many devices within the VLANs that we tell it to scan. So over here, we're going to find a release page, which will have all the executables. So I'm just going to click it here, like ignore all the bullshit, and we just go down and click on the lanscan.exe file. Over there, I already have it downloaded, so you can save it. I'm going to just cancel it for now. Yeah, if you're smart enough. Next up, I'll, I have this over here, so I'm just going to open it. So there we go, have it. This is a LanScan interface, and now I have multiple internet interfaces because I use Radmin VPN, CloudWarp, and I also have Windows subsystem Linux because of Docker. So I'm going to shift to Ethernet because what I have is actually a load balancer along with it's a layer 3 router along with ISP router. So there's multiple VLANs in my system, and often it will happen that in an enterprise network you'll have multiple VLANs and devices might not be able to scan much faster. That's why I'm just going to press enter at this moment, and now it's asking me how many VLANs I should scan. So 0 is default VLAN for Omada TP-Link routers. So I'm just going to check for 0, 1, 5, and 10. So you yourselves can scan multiple. It is fast enough, so it will do just fine. So I'm going to hit enter because I've selected my VLAN that I want to scan. It will take some time because there's 1270 address, but it's done. It's done. And I'm consecutively finding many devices in my network. There are 5, 10, 0, 1, 5 thing. So all these devices are in my network, and I can access this by just pressing enter. Let's say I want to go to my not this. I'm looking for 5.1, so that will be my Omada routers gateway. And there we go. I can easily find my Omada router gateway. That's it. That is it for today, guys. Thank you for watching this tutorial to the end. I hope you have a fine day.